How crucial is health and wellness for courier drivers? You might be surprised. For those in the courier transportation business, maintaining good health isn't just a bonus, it's a necessity. Consider the long hours on the road, the physical demands of lifting and moving packages, not to mention the potential stress of tight deadlines. Each one of these factors can take a toll on one's health. So, it's not just about delivering packages on time, it's about delivering on the promise of good health too. Now that we know why it's important, what are some ways drivers can stay healthy? Exercise is a key pillar of good health. But how can courier drivers, who spend most of their time on the road, find time to exercise? Well, even quick breaks provide an opportunity for stretching or brisk walks. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Good nutrition and hydration are essential for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Consider packing wholesome snacks like fruits or nuts and balanced meals for your journey. Staying hydrated, particularly on long drives, is crucial. With a little planning, you can eat well and stay hydrated no matter how long your route is. Mental health is just as important as physical health, especially in a demanding job like courier driving. Take time to relax and clear your mind. Tune into soothing music or insightful podcasts. Practice mindfulness. Remember, your mental health is a priority. Finally, let's talk about sleep. Good sleep hygiene is crucial for courier drivers. Stick to a regular sleep schedule. Craft an environment that beckons restful sleep. And never underestimate the importance of getting enough sleep. Remember, good sleep is the foundation of good health. So, how can courier drivers stay healthy? We've learned that regular exercise, even if it's just a quick stretch or walk around the vehicle, can work wonders. Proper nutrition and hydration keep the body fueled and ready to go. Mental health practices like mindfulness and stress management are essential for staying focused on the road. And let's not forget the importance of good sleep hygiene for recharging. By following these tips, courier drivers can maintain their health and wellness even on the longest of routes.